a momentous day for us. Today is the day that the first living organisms go into the building. We had the plants on the roof, and those were the first of the living collection here in the new facility in Golden Gate Park. But the first living organisms will be the 6 trees for the rainforest that are coming in this morning and being planted in the base of the building here in our BOLA and our walk-through rainforest exhibit. They have to be brought in on a forklift, sort of driven throughout the building, and then they get lifted up and dropped down into a planter, and the soil all gets put around them. We had to prepare the planters. There's irrigation and drainage fabric in there. There's structural soil and rock, and it's a major undertaking. This has been one of the first major undertakings that we've had that involves all kinds of different people. Our plant consultant that assisted with the planting plan and the identification of the trees, he's here on site. We have our on-staff horticulturist here. We have riggers. We've got exhibit design workers. Everybody's sort of pulling it together to try and get these trees off the truck, into the building, inspected by California Agriculture, and then erected into their final locations here within the rainforest.